Yo, what is up, guys? Loki was dreading making this video. Sorry I didn't get to post a trade recap yesterday. Got really busy after trading, had work and whatnot. But yesterday was probably one of my worst psychology days I've had in a little while because my psychology had been pretty good, and just had a rough day. So yeah, let's go into it and like kind of show where everything went wrong, right? So coming into the day, my bias was pretty bearish, Came into the day, here's the 15 minute. We had this huge imbalance below us, and so I'm like, okay, surely we want to come down, tap this imbalances. I'm not sure where my drawing tools are. How do I go to my favorites? Oh, here they are. Sorry. Um, so yeah, coming into the day, I was like, okay, we have this huge imbalance right here, and then we have this. Maybe you guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but we have this new week opening gap, right? So bam, new week opening gap, bang bang, big draws on liquidity, right? So I'm like, okay, I think we're shorts. Um, and I know we had just inversed this 15 minute right here. So yeah, we inversed this 15 minute, and we had already had a liquidity sweep down here, whatever, whatever. I was still, I was still pretty bearish. So we have the sell off, market open, sells off. I was actually taking a trade on my eval right here. I had a short position, like right here that I entered, stops up here, take profit all the way down here just to pass the account. Pretty well in profit. You can see we got reversed on. And I saw signs of reversing right here pretty late just because I was lazily looking at the market. So already off to like not a great start, right? So come here. I'm not sure why this line's like this. Do a solid line, right here, liquidity sweep, come down to the 1 minute. And so you can see right here, I was recording my my trading day. I'm not posting that video. It's horrible. Um, but yeah, I was looking at this. I'm like, oh wait, if we inverse this 1 minute, if we get a candle closure above, I'm entering longs. Word for word, kid you not, said I'm gonna enter longs once this gets invalidated. And low key, mother trade, I was like, I'll be fine with getting stopped at break even, whatever, whatever. Because yeah, I moved my stops because I thought we were gonna probably reverse. So we get to this candle right here, right? See this black candle? We get right here, and I just see it go down. Everything went out the window. I don't know what, like, I just got hit with the spell of, I don't know. But literally said once we get candle closure above, I was gonna enter longs. So for some reason, I didn't enter longs right here. I actually entered shorts, like right here. For whatever reason, I entered a short position, didn't think twice about it, put my stop above this fair value gap, right? Still targeting because I was still thinking about shorts for some reason. So I entered the short, targeting this imbalance down here. Obviously, that doesn't play out, as you can see. And so I had lost that trade, and mind you, I'm already down on the account, like in general. Like I've been in drawdown, haven't seen a lick of profit. So I'm like, okay, well, I can't live with that. I can't just take that loss. That also just took the loss on my eval because I just got stopped out. And so what do? I decide to not change my bias because here we're in the 5 minute gap, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so yeah, here we are in this 5 minute gap. And my trade is off of inversions, right? And so here's where I messed up again. I didn't wait for candle closure. This wick came down. Wick comes down. Boom. Enter another short. Before the candle closed, right? So obviously, we respect the gap. We don't get the closure below. What do? We reverse on me. Would have been, this was a beautiful long entry. Candle closure is the most important thing I can say that helps me in my trading is waiting for a candle closure. If you pre-fire your trades, you're going to most likely lose. Your win rate is going to be a lot lower than if you just wait the extra 10 seconds for that candle to close because that will tell you what market's going to do. All right. So, boom, I lose two trades now. Now I'm like low key, like, oh shoot, what do I do? Like, I'm down like 800 or whatever. So, finally, we come up here. I get a little long. I'm like, okay, we're obviously longs. I guess take this long up to the high, right? Because we're obviously going to take out these highs. ES was very bullish. I think we had an SMT here too. I don't really remember. But yeah, whoops, not that type. It was a trade like this, right? So bang. Now I'm up $50. I should have been done for the day. I shouldn't have even taken the second trade. Should have been off for the day, right? And so, but what do? I think like I'm like, okay, well if I'm break even on the day, basically it's like I'm starting from square one. So I just take another trade, right? Wrong. So what do? We have this liquidity sweep. I don't even. So here's where everything went to complete like trash, right? I think I could be wrong, but I think I tried to short right here after the liquidity sweep. I was like sitting on like the 30-second or something, and I tried to come down to like a 5 minute unfilled, right? Thought we are gonna retrace into like a 5 minute unfilled gap, and ignore like my bias for like today, like it was just bad. But yeah, I tried to target this 5 minute unfilled. It wasn't a horrible trade. You can see this would have played out, but I was just targeting this 5 minute unfilled. What do? I get wicked out. Now I'm back down 500. I'm like, okay, well I gotta at least get back to break even. I'll actually be done for the day, right? We all do that. And then I entered like another trade off this chop, lost 1,000, and I got locked out of the account because Alpha Futures lockout is 1,000. But yeah, it was like horrible. Like, and it was like three more trades right here. That was like, I just kept on pressing like buy and sell. I'm like, shoot, wait, we're respecting the 2 minute. Oh wait, no, we're chopping. We're inversing this gap. Oh, I actually remember this trade. Yeah, this was a trade right here. Looking at this gap. Yeah, there's this gap right here. Pre-fired another trade. Thought I was about to get inversed. It didn't. I got wicked out, and I was like, shoot, bro. And that's when I was done for the day. But I was just like not in the best headspace yesterday, and I should have made a video right after the trading, but then I had to go to work and whatnot, and I had basketball after work, and just got home late. No excuse. I really want to post every day on here. I want to be like consistent and transparent with you guys when I post on here for the few people that do see these videos early on. But yeah, that's a trade recap for today. Let me know what you guys think. Was my I mean my bias wasn't horrible. Like I'm because I'm making this a day late, so I'm about to go right after this video. I'm gonna go post the trade recap for today, which might be surprised about because I this account was today. This account was 300 from. I have two accounts. They're 300 from blown. 300 from blown, and I'm about to post a video saying how trading those accounts today went. But yeah, I mean, this imbalance wasn't a bad target. I'm not mad about it. I'm mad that I just was impatient and tried to pre-fire trades. And the fact that I said, oh, I'm going to long after we inverse this gap, word for word in the video, yo, I'm about to long right here, and then I entered a short. Like it just makes no sense. Like I'm holding myself back. But that's the trade recap for today. For the people that are watching, thanks for watching. Let me know what other content you want to see. If you want to see like me screen recording in the mornings and like posting them like just so you can see like my thought process while I'm live trading, I could do those too. Just let me know. But then that's gonna be it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.